In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add audio player to Shopify. To get started, log into your Shopify admin so you are on the main dashboard. The first thing you need is a direct link to the audio file you want to play on your store. Shopify can host that file for you inside your admin, and then you can use the file URL anywhere you need it for an audio player embed. From the left side navigation, go to Content, then click Files. This is the area where Shopify stores the files you upload, like images, PDFs, and audio. Keeping your audio here is helpful because it stays connected to your store, and you can reuse the same file link in multiple places later. Once you are on the Files page, upload your audio file. Use either an WAV file, since those are common formats that work well across most browsers and devices. When you choose your file, wait for the upload to complete before moving on. If your audio is large, it may take a little longer, so give it a moment until you see it appear in the list. After your audio file is uploaded, find it in the Files list. On the same row as the file, click the link icon. This copies the URL for that audio file to your clipboard. That copied link is the key piece you need, because it is the address an audio player will use to load and play the sound. A quick tip here is to paste the copied URL into a temporary note or a text document right away. That way you do not accidentally overwrite it before you use it. You can also paste the link into a new browser tab to confirm it opens correctly. If it loads or downloads the audio file, that usually means the link is working as expected. Once you have that URL copied, you are ready to use it wherever your audio player setup requires a direct file link. And that is all there is to it.